Hello and welcome to this channel. In this topic today, we are talking about ChatGPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI, and in this video, I'll share with you some tips and tricks to help you use me to create powerful and engaging social media content. Social media has become an essential part of our lives, and it's more important than ever to create content that resonates with your audience. So, let's get started. Before we dive into using AI for social media content creation, it's essential to understand what ChatGPT is and how it works. ChatGPT is a language model that uses natural language processing to generate human-like responses to user inputs. It has been trained on a vast corpus of text, making it capable of understanding and responding to a wide range of topics. Now that we understand what ChatGPT is, let's look at how to use it for social media content creation. Generating content ideas. One of the most significant challenges in social media content creation is coming up with fresh and engaging content ideas. ChatGPT can help you generate new ideas for your social media posts. To use ChatGPT for generating content ideas, simply enter a keyword or topic that you want to create content about, and ChatGPT will generate a list of ideas. For example, if you enter the keyword travel, ChatGPT may suggest ideas such as the best hidden gems in Europe, the ultimate road trip guide, or how to travel on a budget. Writing captions and posts. Another way to use ChatGPT for social media is to help you write captions and posts. Sometimes, it can be challenging to find the right words to express your thoughts or ideas in a concise and engaging way. ChatGPT can help you write captions and posts that are more engaging and relatable. To use ChatGPT for writing captions and posts, simply enter the topic or idea you want to write about, and ChatGPT will generate a list of potential captions or post ideas. For example, if you're writing about a new product launch, ChatGPT may suggest captions such as introducing our new product that will revolutionize the way you work, or say hello to the product that everyone is talking about. Generating hashtags. Hashtags are an essential part of social media content, as they help your content reach a wider audience. ChatGPT can help you generate hashtags that are relevant and popular. To use ChatGPT for generating hashtags, simply enter the keyword or topic you want to generate hashtags for, and ChatGPT will generate a list of relevant and popular hashtags. For example, if you're writing about healthy eating, ChatGPT may suggest hashtags such as #healthyfood, #nutrition, or #eatclean. Generating responses to comments. Engagement is essential for social media success, and responding to comments is a great way to build relationships with your audience. ChatGPT can help you generate responses to comments that are engaging and helpful. To use ChatGPT for generating responses to comments, simply enter the comment you want to respond to, and ChatGPT will generate a list of potential responses. For example, if someone comments on your post asking for more information about a product, ChatGPT may suggest responses such as "Thank you for your interest in our product. We'd be happy to provide you with more information. Please send us a message with your questions," or "We're glad you're interested in our product. Check out our website for more information." Now that we've looked at how to use ChatGPT for social media content creation, let's dive into some tips and best practices for using ChatGPT effectively. 1. Be specific with your inputs. ChatGPT's responses are only as good as the inputs you provide. To get the best results, be as specific as possible with your inputs. For example, instead of entering food as a topic, try entering healthy meal prep ideas to get more targeted and relevant results. 2. Use multiple inputs. Using multiple inputs can help ChatGPT generate more accurate and diverse responses. For example, if you're writing a post about a product launch, try using multiple inputs such as the product name, the target audience, and the benefits of the product. 3. Edit and refine. While ChatGPT's responses are generally accurate and helpful, it's essential to edit and refine them to ensure they align with your brand voice and style. Take the time to review ChatGPT's responses and make any necessary edits to ensure they're on brand and engaging. 4. Use ChatGPT as a starting point. While ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for social media content creation, it's important to use it as a starting point rather than a final solution. Use ChatGPT's responses as inspiration and guidance, but always put your unique spin on them to create content that truly resonates with your audience. In conclusion, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for social media content creation, from generating content ideas to writing captions and posts. By following these tips and best practices, you can use ChatGPT effectively to create engaging and impactful social media content. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful in using ChatGPT for social media.